Local wood doesn't come from Home Depot or Lowe's. It comes from your backyard. Lumber by Lance has been bringing our sawmill to your front yard and turning trees into fine, quality lumber for over 18 years. Jim Lance has a passion for turning urban forests into final form. Whether it's a single cypress log for that one-of-a-kind, book-matched heirloom table, or a couple cherry trees for this custom dream kitchen, to a few dozen big Ole Pines for the World Famous Ginnie Springs pine post and beam dive shop, made entirely from trees harvested from this property. A mantle made from the limb that fell in a storm, or this expertly crafted dream home constructed from trees that fell in 3 hurricanes. Lumber by Lance, with artistic attention to detail, expertly crafts cost-effective design elements such as continuous grain drawer fronts, mixing native hardwoods, cherry, oak, and hickory, giving the homeowners personal satisfaction knowing 3 hurricanes ended in an ultimate green act. The money Lumber by Lance saves you will more than pay for expert, quality old world craftsmanship. And the lumber will be transformed in many uses, like flooring, or cabinets, furniture, to countertops, or maybe a door, or just timber frame the whole house. Lumber by Lance produces approximately 200 square feet of prime lumber per hour, stacked for air drying on your site or trucked to ours for computer-controlled kiln drying, picked up or delivered to the planer mill, or you may choose to do it yourself. Either way, your trees are a lasting tribute to the property where they once grew.